sorry about that. It stopped recording. So this is, yeah, the mini cocoa handle. This isn't a review. I've only used it once or twice in New York, and so far I love it, but I will do a more in-depth first impressions or review sometime in the near future. But this is my first cocoa handle bag, and I am just really happy to have found this color. It's just a gorgeous color, and I have nothing like it in my collection. So yeah, so thank you for watching my New York haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Since I did buy quite a bit in New York City, I am planning on selling a few things. So please check out my Instagram in the next couple days to see the items that I have decided to sell. I'm really trying to keep my collection at a reasonable size, and so since I did make these purchases, I'm going to try to sell a few things. So please take a look at that, and I may also make a video of the like a vlog sale video of the items that I'm selling. I'm not sure how I'll do it yet, but it'll definitely be on my Instagram. Thanks so much again for watching, and have a great day.